Hey baby, are you officially on the Sunrise?
I'm ready to go on there.
So we found a nice table here off the back of the boat. Actually, this boat isn't too terribly crowded so far. We've been on some of these boats and by noon you can't find a seat on the first day. All right, it's 1:30 and we're gonna go in our room, 6279. There we go.
Woo! We have the suitcases already.
Yeah, our suitcases are ready and here's our room. Hey baby, where are we going?
We're going the cruise.
Yeah?
Sunrise. Carnival Sunrise.
We just left our hotel here, the Kimpton Beach Surf Comber.
They said they grab homework.
Alright guys, we're just waiting for our Uber here and then we're gonna go hop on the Carnival Sunrise. Come along with us. So this is where we stayed last night, the Kimpton Surf Comber on Miami Beach. It is expensive, but we had a free night, so it worked out great.
Are you ready for the cruise?
I'm ready for the cruise.
Let's go. Carnival Sunshine. Here we come.
We even got the liquor package, so we're going to be drunk for 5 days.
Whoa, no. We're not going to be drunk for 5 days.
Here's the cruise ship island. I'm not sure if that's the name, but they all dock and port at this island. Royal Caribbean here. I think I saw a Disney boat here. Holland America, and of course the Carnival Sunrise. It's too crowded. That's our boat right there. Carnival Sunrise. We're going to go on a 5-day Caribbean cruise. We're going to take you along with us, show you the boat.
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Yeah.
Yes.
So, Uber driver was asking us what boat, but we're going to go on the 5-day Caribbean cruise, Jamaica and Grand Cayman, and we're going to take you along with us. Alright, we're here at the cruise ship terminal. We found our ship here in Miami. The first thing that you got to do is find one of the porters. I'll help you and collect your luggage. And you just leave it for them, put your luggage tags on. And tip your porter, of course, and then you just go on the boat. Make sure you have your passports with you and any medication you might need, because you won't have your bags until at least 2, 3, 4 o'clock.
So we are ready to go.
Alright, I gotta put you away, no filming inside the terminal. So it's like 12 o'clock here in the terminal. As you can see, it's pretty empty. It's basically walk on. It should only take us 10 minutes to get through. So we just made it through security where they're checking for liquor or marijuana and things like that. A lot of people getting busted having the liquor taken out of their bags. There's also guest services when you first get here if you want to make a cash account or change something about your account, change rooms. Lots of areas to come take pictures. Chris is more than happy over here taking pictures. Ready, baby? There it is. Carnival Sunrise.
Sunrise. You come to be with me too.
Right?
Come.
So we're both in it? Alright guys, there's our boat. Maybe we're gonna go take off on the sunrise.
Hold on. I need a thumbnail, so I need to fix my hair. I don't know how to fix it. My hair is ugly. Sunrise! Look at them.
That's not the sunrise.
Yeah, they're both sunrise.
That was called a celebration.
A celebration? We're doing a celebration.
Dude, they're in front of the sun. Oh, there it is. Sunrise. Here we go, boarding. Only took us less than 10 minutes. Here we go. Hey baby, are you officially on the Sunrise?
I'm ready to go on there. Drinking and yeah, I'm not working, so drinking and eating and having fun.
What about gambling?
No gambling for me.
I I get to gamble. All right, here we go, and in the boat we go. So if you try to get to your staterooms too soon, the doors are going to be closed and you're going to see the sign saying they're not going to be ready for 1:30. So the only thing to do is go eat or go to the pool or find a bar. Find your wife. So these maps are in every elevator hallway. It shows you where you are, a little circle. What room are we, babe?
I don't know.
So she's going to see what room we are. So it looks like we want to go...
We're in the room 6279.
So we're actually on the other end of the boat. 6279?
We should be in the middle somewhere.
Where are we? 63?
6278.
The other side.
6279. We are right here.
So we're right at our room. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're right at our room. All right, so we got to go up and maybe to 9 and then to the other side of the ship to Lido deck where the pools are. So we found a nice table here off the back of the boat. Actually, this boat isn't too terribly crowded so far. We've been on some of these boats and by noon you can't find a seat on the first day. This one, the water's still empty, still the hot tub's still empty for the most part. Bars are filled up. Chris went to go find something for lunch. And then we'll show you the room when we're able to go in at 1:30. So we went to go get a drink at the bar. You can use your boarding pass without your sailing sign, but they told us that until you go to your mustard station, your account won't activate. So the very first thing you always have to do is...
Go to the mustard station.
That's right. So we're making our way to a mustard station. That's like the emergency evacuation point. We're at E4, which they say is in one of the lounges. This is one of the...
It's very hot outside.
One of the briefings right here. So we finally got settled in, sat down, got our drink. Chris got a pina colada, and I got a parched pig. Carnival has like their own brewery, their own line of beers. So this is what we're gonna do for the next hour, 2 hours while we wait for our room. 6-day cruise. And of course, first snack of the day, pizza. Chris tried it. There's like a pizza specialty restaurant here. There's the cook. So there's nobody here, so we grab some pizza.
Pardon me, I'm eating with my hands.
How's your cheese pizza?
Hard.
All right, it's 1:30 and we're gonna go in our room. 6279. There we go.
Woo. We have the suitcases already.
Yeah, our suitcases are ready, and here's our room. We have a balcony room with the king bed with the beds put together. It's a nice couch in the rooms. Of course, the balcony, if I can get the door open. We got the dock view. Oh well, they're just finishing up, getting the last cargo on board. Let's go see the rest of the room. So down here you have some storage for your clothes. More shelves here. And somewhere there's a closet. Got some storage down here, nice TV. Actually there is a fridge, believe it or not, on these boats. You get a little fridge. Hair dryer. This is starting to bring in all the luggage. Of course you got a safe, place to hang your clothes, and entirely too much luggage. So when you're done unloading your luggage, you just slide it right under the bed. They're empty under the bed, so that's where you put your suitcases. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. It's like stained white. That's weird. I haven't seen that before. So this is the bathroom, toilet, shower gel and shampoo. One thing I really like about cruise ships is they always have really good pressure in the showers. So that's our little room tour of 6279. You excited, baby?
I'm excited. I'm ready to go sleep. I get my pina colada!
Yeah, you
do. Pina colada. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. the port of Miami. It's like 1:30. We already got the room. We had the balcony here. People are still coming. And you can see there is the bayside with the wheel. And here where the people are coming. The people are still coming on the boat. You can see on there too. The luggages came on this boat before us, which was very, very good. So now we have a night and the sea day before we get to Jamaica. Is it worth it to get the balcony room on the boat? We're in Carnival Sunrise and we get the balcony room.
Yes, it is, but not when you're in port and they're all loud.
They're loud in port, but we still enjoy our balcony room every day. Cheers, everybody! Cheers for the sunrise Carnival cruise balcony room 6279.
Thanks for watching our first day above the Carnival Sunrise. So we're going to leave you with the sunset as we sail off to Jamaica.
Casino, baby. Casino.
Hey baby, we're in the casino, yeah.
In the casino. Do you want a drink?
Now we're going to dinner. We'll get one there.
Let's go.
Well guys, we made it out of the room and we made it to dinner. We're at the main dining room. We just got our appetizers. I got a shrimp cocktail and Chris also got shrimp cocktail with fried calamari. So it's one of the nice things about these cruise ships is you can basically order whatever you want at the main dining room. So try something new or whatever you want.
Let's see what is our main dish.
So for dinner, Chris got the chicken parmesan with spaghetti, which is pretty tasty. And on every Carnival cruise ship, the vegetarian option is Indian food. And it's always something a little different most nights. I'm not sure what most of this is, but it's vegetarian and it's spicy and it's delicious.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Hey baby, what'd you get to drink?
I got chocolate martini.
What about this one? Who got this foofy girly drink right here?
He called this on the lips.
Oh, yeah? Is it for you too?
Cheers. No, that's for you.
So we finished up dinner and came over to the Punchliner Comedy Club here. There it is. The Punchliner. There's 2 or 3 shows a night on a Carnival cruise and you have to come see them. They're pretty funny comedians. Yeah, babe? Pretty funny?
Cheers. They're funny. The first girl was funny. Now we're going for the second guy. Let's see if we have fun.
So for this event, if I'm going simple with it, there's
This
3
is the
couples.
cruise director
So 3
talking about
couples
the
up
shows,
here,
what
and
happened
simple
on
enough,
this.
I asked them questions, just
On the
questions of how well they know each other. And it is 18 plus for a reason.
We're gonna finish the night over here with some music, some dancing, and this is our cruise director, and we're having fun. So good night everybody, and we'll see you what we have in store for tomorrow.
There it is, my man. Now you put those hands like this, and you become the world's best hairstylist. What you do is you're gonna wash the hair.
Alright guys, thanks for sticking with us through our first night on the Carnival Sunrise. We just finished up the Welcome Aboard show. It was a great time.
It was very cool. It's a good show. So it was just like 3 songs and then, but tomorrow we're gonna show you more from this.
Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us. I hope you
Have a great time.
have a great trip. Come aboard. I forgot what we recorded earlier today.
Right. So I'll see you tomorrow. We got an elephant. Every night you get another animal towel in the room. So tonight we got an elephant. And now we're gonna go sleep. So good night everybody.